learning about ratios, so please take notes along with the PowerPoint. A ratio is a comparison of two numbers or measures using division. A ratio can be written three ways. 3 to 5 with colon, 3 divided by 5 as in a forward slash, or 3 to 5. Ratios are often expressed as fractions in simplest or as a decimal. So 5 over 20 can equal 1 over 4 or 0.25. Any questions so far?
I got it.
Alright, a ratio is the comparison of two numbers with the same units by division. Again, a ratio may be written in three ways. 2 to 3, 2 colon to 3, or 2 over 3. On this question, what ratios can we form from the tiles above? So the purple to turquoise. Which different ratios can we do?
It could be 12 over 8. Or 12 to 8. Yeah.
12 to 8, correct.
You do 12 over 20.
12 over 20, yes.
And it could be 20 over 12.
20 over 12, yes. Correct. So the 12 to 8 was a part over part. 12 over 20 is part of a whole, part over whole. And 20 over 12 is whole over part. Alright, create as many ratios as possible. Write each ratio three different ways. So with the different butterflies on the screen, create as many ratios as possible. So let's do, what could you do for the small red ones to the large yellow ones?
4 to 3.
4 to 3, correct. What about the small orange ones to the large red ones?
It'd be 5 to 4.
5 to 4, correct. What about the yellow ones to the orange ones?
That'd be 3 to 5.
Is there another way you can write that one at all?
3 colon 5.
3 colon 5. Correct. All right. So now I want you to write the ratio 50 to 300 in simplest form. Take your time.
As 1 over 6.
1 over 6, correct. All right, write the ratio 60 cents per dozen in simplest form.
Well, to begin with, that'd be 60 over 12. So simplify that down. It's 5 to 1.
5 to 1. Good job. All right. Look over the ratios you have written. Is there another way you can write those ratios? There is, looking at this PowerPoint, you can actually write the ratios or draw the ratios, like we looked at before, by the butterflies, or even by a colored chart.
Interesting.
All right, to kind of bring in units to this, just 1 or 2 questions. To find the unit rate, you would find the cost or amount for 1, or the rate when the denominator is 1. How much for just 1?
Okay.
So if it costs $78 for 13 sandwiches, what is the unit rate?
Well, it's 78 to 13, so when you divide, it's $6 each.
Correct. Do you guys see how we're using our knowledge of ratios in the unit rate?
Oh, yeah.
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 All right. The cost of a 12-ounce box of Cheerios is $3.29. Publix brand Cheerios cost $4.89 for an 18-ounce box. Find the unit rate to find the better buy. So on your paper, write it down. Take your time to make sure you guys are doing the proper math. I'll give you about 30 seconds.
Well, I was writing it down so I can do the math.
All right, so it's
So, what would be the first step into finding which one's the better buy? So, let's start with the cost of a 12-ounce box of Cheerios. What math would you need to do to get that?
Well, you would want to do 3.29
Over 12, since that's the price of the box. It's
Mhm.
a 12-ounce box.
And what would be your answer?
Once divided, it's 0.274.
Awesome. And then what's the next one?
So then we have our 4.89 ounce box, or $4.89 box, which is 18 ounces. You're gonna divide that 0.271.
Correct. So which one's the better rate?
Clearly the 0.271, the 4.89
Yes, the
dollars.
public spread Cheerios. Okay, now that we have covered ratios and dipped in a little bit to the unit rate, I want you guys to go on your Edmodo account and take the quiz I have posted. Let me know if you have any questions.
I don't get it.
I know.
I know you don't understand it, Paisley. It's okay. All right. What'd you score on it?
I haven't finished it.